Norway has got the courage to contrast what being built as the world's first ship tunnel, designed to help vessels navigate the treacherous Standard Sea, first announced a few years ago by the Norwegian Coastal Administration. The mile-long, 118 feet wide tunnel will burrow through the mountainous Stabhavet Peninsula in northwestern Norway. Building this engineering marvel will cost somewhere in the region of 2.8 billion Norwegian kroner, $330 million, and take between 3 to 4 years, with construction due to commence in 2022. It's a project that has been planned for decades, so it's a very pleasant to finally be able to start the construction work in 1 year. Temporary project manager Geir Andresen from the Norwegian Coastal Administration tells Travel. At the moment, ships navigating the surrounds of Stavanger are often impacted by low tides and bad weather. Sometimes ships have to wait for days in the nearest harbor for weather conditions to improve, but inside the tunnel, weather and tide should not impact transit, making ships' journeys safer and smoother could lead to a high-speed ferry service, suggests Andreessen, and also strengthen our area's industrial and commercial activities. It will be connected better. It will be easier to travel, he says. Engineering marvel. The Norwegian Coastal Administration notes that while other tunnels can accommodate small boats and barges, no other underpass has been built to serve large ships. The ship tunnel at Stavanger will burrow through the narrowest point of the Stavanger Peninsula, which makes the undertaking more doable, as the tunnel won't actually be that long. The plan is for burrowing to take place via underground drilling rigs and pallet rings. Building the tunnel will likely involve removing some buildings and roughly 3 million cubic meters of rock. The Norwegian Coastal Administration says the finished structure will be akin a large and alarm mountain hall, while the tunnel is likely to attract the attention of infrastructure enthusiasts from across the world. The chief goal of the tunnel is so simply to make transiting the Stavanger Sea safe and predictable, as Anderson put it, and at present it won't be possible to walk through the tunnel on foot, so if you are intrigued, going via boat will be the only option.